What is up, guys? So in today's video we are gonna be doing a unboxing of the Milwaukee M18 FUEL Quik-Lok trimmer, and this one you can get different attachments for it. So this box in particular has the trimmer included over here. As you can see, M18 FOPHL kit with the trimmer. You can get different attachments for it as well, but me particularly, I'm actually wanting to use this as a trimmer, and maybe in the future I can use some different attachments. So let's get it started over here. As you can see, this is how the package looks like over here. That's what's inside. And let's get it open. So what do we got over here? The trimmer attachment. Nothing else over here. This is how it looks like. A lot of warning signs over here on the handle. Pretty nicely finished over here. Some thick aluminum, I believe, over here, as you can see. And now we got the rest, the engine itself, or however you want to call it. And again, nice aluminum finish on it. So this kit in particular comes without the battery, as you can see. What else? The guard itself. A very big guard. Some instructions, a nice handle so you can hang this up over on your wall or somewhere. And the string itself for the cutting. Some nuts and bolts over here, as well as a key over here for it. So it torques, I believe. And 4 screws for the guard itself. I don't know what for are those attachments, but we will find out. A nice belt to carry your device. And the trimming head itself. With string as well. Already like preloaded. And the handle over here. So those screws were from the for the handle probably. Nothing else over here. Let me clean this up a little bit. Okay, so that is everything that you get in the kit. So let's continue unboxing it. The handle itself to hang it up. Nice, like another Quik-Lok over here, so you can hang the device. the trimming head. Very nice. The handle. It has a nice rubber feel to it. The belt. This is how it looks like. And let's actually check it out. And the instruction, of course, which as usual we don't need, and the string. So this is how it looks like, guys. Let me get this all together so we can see the finished product over here. Okay, so after a while I figured everything out. So I got 4 screws over here for the guard. Then you have the metal plate under this thing, and the whole string attachment over here is left side turned. So if you screw it in, keep that in mind. This moves nicely over here. I got the battery in. I got the handle attached. The 2 metal parts were for the handle and 2 bolts and nuts. And this is how she sounds without the attachment. It's not loud at all. And let's go outside, test it out on the grass with the attachment. And I left the bed for now over here. I don't know if I will need it or not. And this attachment goes like this. And you can hang it up. So let's go outside. It's been quite some time since I got this and have been using it ever since. It's a very nice device. I ended up buying a 12 amp hour battery to exchange because the 5.5 is just like 10-15 minutes of full power work, but the 12-hour one is very good, and when you have both you can just change them and charge one another. So I will get a bigger string actually for it, because this is the smaller string and you can upgrade it from 2 millimeters to 2.4 millimeters, I believe. And as well, what I want to try out is change this thing, basically twist it 180 degrees, which will give a little bit bigger diameter over here. So yeah, overall a very good machine over here. I love it so far. Very nice and easy to grab and just use it whenever you need it. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.